Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is still the AM Club live on MX24. But let me just announce to you that Africa's biggest or largest beauty event is here. Makeup Ghana, in partnership with First Choice Hair and Beauty Salon, presents the African Makeup and Beauty Fair, slated for Wednesday 17th and Thursday 18th November 2021 at the Dome Accra International Conference Center. And guess what? Admission is absolutely free. This Pan-African Beauty Festival is themed Transforming the Beauty Industry 5 years on, and is bringing together beauty brands and businesses as well as food vendors from all corners of the continent. To become an exhibitor now, call 055 255 5555 255 5555 now to register. Do not miss out on a chance to take part in this. But it's now time for Lifestyle Daily, and today we'll be having a conversation on age differences in a relationship. When it comes to the issue of age difference in relationship, people have interests and opinions. While some may have no issue being in a relationship with older partners, for others it is a no. Our Ghanaian society largely frowns on a younger male being in a relationship with an older female. In the past, old men were believed to be financially and emotionally capable of taking care of their female partner. However, times have changed and people stick by their personal choices and feelings. Now a woman can marry a younger man and vice versa. But what are the pros and cons of being in a relationship with a younger or older partner? And does it even matter? Well, join us on the conversation, because today we're going to be delving deep into age differences in a relationship. And standing by is our very dear Godwin with the conversation. Godwin, over to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Edma. This doesn't matter, dear. You've been on pound. Before we get into the conversation, remember you're a major part of the show. Do you think age gap matters in relationships? Will you be in a relationship with a partner who is older or younger than you? Please send your experiences and reactions to our conversation, to our WhatsApp line rather. Number is 0550-331-511, 0550-331-511, or tweet at us at MX24GH with the hashtag the AM Club. We will also open the phone lines much later in the conversation, so you can call in and share your thoughts with us. But I'm excited to have my guest this morning, and she is Mary Nana Inkum. She's an entrepreneur. Mary.
Hi.
Good morning. Welcome
Thank
to
you.
the AM Club. You're doing well?
Thank you. Yes, of course.
First of all, you're a member of the AM Club official. Just so you know. We want you to know that.
Thank you.
Okay. Now let's get into the conversation. It's very interesting that Edma... Okay. Now, what is your stance? Let's first declare that. What is your stance, older or younger?
I think age shouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
At all.
In other words, you would either go younger or older.
It depends.
Okay. So we are going to have that conversation.
Yeah.
Why would you be with an older person and why would you be with a younger person? What would be your reasons?
I first look at maturity.
Maturity.
You know, maturity is not by age. So if you're going to talk about age...
Mary, please speak up a little bit for me.
Maturity is not age. So if you're going to think about age, then it's not important, because somebody can be older than you, but seriously, the person is not matured. And you can find somebody who is really young, but very matured. And people always mistake maturity to age.
Yeah.
Somebody
Okay.
can be very older than you, but very, very childish.
So for you, it's neither here nor there. If the person is matured, whether they are young in terms of age or whether they are old, that's what matters, is that the person is matured. And when you say maturity, first I want to understand. Many guys out there wonder why women say, I want a matured guy. You mean someone who doesn't cry?
Oh, no, no.
So who's a matured person?
I would say when we talk about maturity, it's all about how people handle issues. That's the maturity. Let's say there is somebody attacks you I'm not saying be my shield, but at least do something.
Stand there for me.
Yes.
Be there for me.
Yeah. I know some people will handle it differently, okay, because of the intuition, maybe how the person feels. It came in a rush. But all matters. That there is maturity is a broader issue.
Okay.
So it depends on how the person acts towards issues.
Okay, so since you said it doesn't matter whether the person is older or younger, but in your estimation, what will be an ideal age for anyone? Let's start between the ages of, let's say I'm 30 and I want to settle. What would you say is the ideal age for me when I'm choosing a partner?
I would tell you to choose somebody who is a bit even older than you. A bit. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm 30, so you'd rather maybe I pick someone who's like 35 or older?
If you guys are vibing, that's the whole matter. That's the whole thing. Vibe.
So there's no ideal age?
No, I
You
don't
just said I
think
should
so.
choose someone who's older. Let's say if I'm 30 and for a man.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, let's flip the coin and let's say for a woman, is there an ideal age for a partner? Because there has been different arguments. Now you know the conversation, the argument that, not arguments, but it's said that women grow faster than men.
Yeah.
So, you know, when you marry an older person, or as a man, if I marry someone who's older than me, she'll end up, you know, looking older, even if she's not that older than me. So let's say I'm 30, my partner is 35. By the time we are like 45 or 50, she will look much older than I am. So they'd rather you choose a younger person. What do you make of that?
It's all about taking care of yourself. Some people look older but look younger. It's all about taking care of yourself. And secondly, people talk about liking somebody or falling in love with somebody due to their looks. And we are not looking beyond those things. If we are looking beyond those things, looks shouldn't be a problem. Because if you're going to go for looks, you're always going to get disappointed. Because you end up being like, I never knew he or she was like that. We need to look beyond, deeper than the outer looks.
Okay, Mary.
Yeah.
So I've had what do you call it? I have friends,
Okay.
older friends who are dating younger people.
Okay.
And it's not because they want to date. Most of them are divorced. And they seem to be with the younger people. And I asked them, why are you with a young person? So, it's nothing, because I love him, you know. But certain problems, challenges run through. You can see similar things. They say, oh, he's matured and everything. But then he doesn't want me to talk to this person. He doesn't want me. And usually older men don't like, why are you talking to this? I don't know every older person. But you know, older men do not do that to you. So you have a younger guy who is sort of a little bit insecure because they think that because you're older, you probably will be, you know. Isn't that a red flag enough for you to not want to be with a younger person?
I think if that younger person is a busy person, he has his hand full working, he wouldn't be worried about things like that.
Just say,
Yeah. I think if you're busy, trust me, you're here working or on this show. Trust me, do you have time to even pick your phone and be like, what are you doing? Where are you right now? You know what I mean? If you're a busy person and you have some dream or you have some achievement, you will be busy doing things. You'll be worrying yourself with petty stuff.
Okay. I want you to share your experience with us. When I come back from reading these messages, you're going to tell us if you've ever dated a younger person and if you've dated an older person, and tell us.
It's getting personal.
Yes, we want to share your experience with us. So let me check out what people are saying on our WhatsApp line. This one says, generally, our society speaks against a lot of things which is really affecting our style and understanding of love. What has love got to do with age? Big question. Once you really love the person and the person has come clear with their mission of life, then that's all. Just go for the person. That is Cash from Takrady. Thank you for that message, Cash from Takrady. This one says, generally, it doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter in a relationship. A relationship depends on the understanding and connection between two individuals, regardless of their age. A couple can have a strong relationship as long as they love, respect, and care for each other. Having a partner who is a few years older than you is considered normal, but when the gap is too wide, then it may look unconventional. Nina Tees from Eastern Region, Begro. I would love to take this advantage to greet all my... Okay, thank you very much. Few more, please. I'm loving the morning show, the AM Club. Wonderful and fun presentation by your presenters as well. Kweku from Cape Coast. Thank you, Kweku. Well, perhaps the most important thing in a relationship is love, communication, and understanding. And that doesn't really come with age. So age doesn't really matter for me. The age limit just shouldn't be more than 7 years for me. I wish I could ask him why. It should not be more than 7 years. Hi, good morning. I'm Ahmed, watching live inside Adensi Obuasi. Still fun, fearless, and factual content always. Absolutely, Ahmed, thank you. Okay, so now back to you. Have you ever been with a younger person?
I would say young, because the funny thing is that I don't normally ask people their age.
Their age. But you eventually know when you're dating the person.
Do you know when, if I asked you your age, then I notice a low red flags, and then you are not that matured to some expectation or how you answer some questions, because then that's when I'm asking you your age.
Okay, so you first judge by the way the person, like you said, answers questions and all
and
that.
how react towards things and how they handle issues.
What has answering questions got to do with the person's age? Because there are people who may be older than you, but may not be smart.
That's when I get to ask you your age. I see you very old, but you're acting all childish. That's when I'm like worried. Like,
you know, you're dodging my question.
No, I am not.
Okay, but have you dated an older person?
Yes. If you say older, 1 year can be even older.
Yes, of course. So
yeah,
someone who's older
definitely.
than you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, and what do you make of that relationship?
That's why I keep telling you, personality and maturity. It doesn't matter about the age. People are very different. And although how people are brought up are really different, so you can't judge people on their ages and being young and being old. You know what I mean?
Okay, Mary. Mary, do you think females are a bit controlling when they are older in a relationship?
No. It depends. No. It
So-
depends who you're dealing with. That's why I keep telling you, it's all about the attitude towards the relationship and how the person has been matured relationship-wise. You know, when you go through relationship and you get your heart broken, definitely everybody has gotten his heart broken. Maybe you have not, I don't know. But everybody has gotten his heart broken. So you learn from those things. It could be you making the heartbreak, or it could be her giving you the heartbreak. You know, sometimes you like somebody so much, but you can't be together because it's not working. And you broke up, but you still love the person.
Okay.
You understand? And you learn from it. And then your attitude towards the relationship, the next one should be better.
And do you think men feel insecure when they are, like I asked earlier, do you think men feel insecure when their partners are older at all?
I think you shouldn't feel insecure if you know who you are and you know what you are made of. That's why I keep saying you're here working or whatever you're doing. You don't have that time calling her, asking her if there is hair. Calling her, asking her, what are you doing? What are you wearing? Like, it's you understand what I mean?
I do.
You're busy. If you're not busy, that's when you'll be like, oh, what's she doing? What is going on? You know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay, the phone lines will be open shortly so that you can call in and share your thoughts with us on this particular conversation. Phone lines will be open shortly. Actually, the numbers are on the screen, so you can call us and send us a message on WhatsApp as well. 0550-331-511, 0550-331-511. The phone lines are also up there. All on social media at MX24GH with the hashtag the AM Club. Mary, which one do you think will last longer? I don't want you to tell me it doesn't matter. It depends. Which one do you think will last longer? A younger woman, a woman dating a younger person, or a man dating an older person?
An older woman dating a younger person will last.
Than a man dating
An older woman dating his age mate. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Are there challenges with women when they're... What are some of the challenges with women when they're dating their age mates?
I feel like, you know, the whole experience is that we've all experienced that. And what is there to experience again?
Interesting. Anyway, you tell me more about that. But I have Richie on the line. Richie, good morning. Rich? Hello, Rich. All right. Oh. All right, Martin.
Hello.
Hello, Martin. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I'm doing well, thank you. You?
I'm also fine.
Very well. Welcome to the AM Club. What are your thoughts, bro?
I think sometimes what he's trying to say is, I mean, let's say, but sometimes you can date somebody who is older than you, especially the girls. When you date them because you are younger and they are older, sometimes they more treat you and sometimes they talk some way. They'll be like, oh, yeah, after all, I'm older than you, so don't, you see, sometimes these girls consider, being older than you in relationship. Yeah.
As
So
compared
sometimes they more treat you and things. So I think that's what I have to say.
Do you think is usually women, because some women also complain that when they're dating an older person, sometimes because they're older than them, you know, they also tend to. But it's not as common as in women, like you said, right?
Yes, please. It's not as common as.
Okay. Have you dated an older woman before?
Yes, almost 5 years.
Almost 5 years older than you.
Yeah, she was 5 years older than me.
And
but I think because of money and stuff, that's why. I think because of that.
because of money, as in you wanted her money?
No, but I think it's how it ended. It ended because she was always demanding for money and things. So I think it wasn't love, but it was because of money and things. So,
Wait, she was demanding money from you?
yeah, money.
That's very interesting. Okay, Martin, thank you. Thank you very much. That's interesting. We have another person on the line. Okay, so I want to ask you this again. Why would you prefer an older person and why would you prefer a younger person, personally?
Personally, this is quite trickish because that's why I keep saying maturity. It's quite trickish. I will prefer an older person who is open-minded and independent. I will prefer that older person if it comes with these qualities.
Independent.
Independent and matured and open-minded. You know, we have older people who are not open-minded. They are still the old school.
Hold that thought for me. We have somebody on the line. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, boss. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your name and where you're calling from?
I'm calling from Legon.
Your name is what?
Dennis.
Dennis. All right, Dennis. Share your thoughts with us, please.
Okay, so for me, I think the age difference really matters when it comes to relationship because I've had an experience of dating an elderly lady. That was like 6 years difference. But then I was working and everything, and I think I'm a matured guy who was even able to provide for her.
Right.
But then because of the age difference, she wouldn't listen. Some of these ladies, when they are quite older than me, there is the respect that you see, it is fit you. They don't give it to you at all.
That's very interesting.
So she wouldn't listen. You can't even tell her, don't go out tonight. I want you to stay home today. It doesn't work that way at all when the age difference is there.
I see.
So I think that is my perception, yes.
All right, Dennis from Lagos. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us. We also have Daniel.
Hello, Daniel. Hello.
Yes, Daniel.
I'm calling from Asinfosis.
Nice one, Daniel. Share your thoughts with us, please.
Yes. I was once a victim dating an older lady. Was also 5 years older than me.
There we go. And 5 years, 6 years. Okay. Tell us your experience.
5 years older than me, and actually, she was. I'm always saying she's not feeling she's not feeling okay. She thinks I'm going to leave her, and she's not. I don't know how to explain it.
She's insecure.
She's not feeling okay. She thinks because she's older than me, I will go for a younger lady or I will leave her.
Oh, insecurity.
Yeah, she's not feeling insecurity and those stuff. So I was crazy over her. Yeah, I was crazy over her because I didn't know what to do. When she tells me to sleep, I do that. I put respect and everything. And she just broke up with it.
And she broke up with you?
Yeah, she did.
Wait, she broke up with you? And,
Yes.
she was the one who was afraid that you
Yes,
would rather end
was-
up with
yes.
a younger person.
Yes,
Interesting.
yes, she was afraid, yeah.
Daniel from Asinfosi, thank you so much for
Yes.
sharing your thoughts with us. Let me read some few. What do you make of Daniel's situation, briefly, before we go?
Daniel's situation, she just said it, insecurity. So I feel like we should get to know each other better before jumping into putting
Mary,
the tag on it as relationship, you
But
know?
Mary, these are three men. Three men have called and said they've dated older people, and
Yes.
the experience is almost the same.
Yes, that's why I keep saying you can't just see somebody because you like. That's why I said we should think deeper. We are looking at the physicality
okay.
too much, so we should think deeper. And then you need to be friends with the person, get to know the person a bit before you put a tag on it.
It's amazing that the experiences are different from the comments. Another comment coming in saying, I think age doesn't really matter. We hear all this, but then the experiences we hear from other people are vastly different. But anyways, I think age doesn't really matter. Relationship deals with understanding and maturity.
Yeah.
You can choose to take someone who is older and younger only if you feel comfortable, but age doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
But Lawe is going good, is looking good today. But Godwin, don't be jealous about that. Lawe, I did your back. I am jealous. You know I protect her. This one says, to me, age doesn't matter, but in case where the lady is financially stable than you, the guy, then she will start to control you and will like to do things her way. Mario from Takrade. Few more comments. Hi, good morning. My name is Bernard from Tardy. I want to ask if you are in a relationship with your partner of the same age, but she's always complaining that we aren't compatible, but we love each other. Love each other, but not compatible. Now she wants some space for a year. Bro, what should I do? Wait or move on with my life? I don't know how to respond to this.
Oh, please.
Should you wait for her for a year?
Please, who said give me a break for a
1
year?
year.
What are you doing for the whole year? Please, live your life.
Fasting and prayers. Anyways, so many comments coming in. I can't read everything. Share your last words with us before we go.
Okay, I think all I have to tell the lovely viewers that please live your life, enjoy every single moment. See, if you understand each other and the communication is there and the vibe is there, don't think about age. Age is nothing. It's all about understanding. That's all.
We didn't even talk of the biological clock thing about men being with older women who probably will not be able to give them children, but they want children. But maybe some other time we'll have...
You can
that
adopt.
other-
It's
you
simple.
can
There's
adopt her.
always a way out.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Anyways, thank you very much for sharing your thoughts with us, Mary Inkum.
Thank you.
Mary Inkum is an entrepreneur, and we discussed age differences in relationships and how it plays out in those relationships. You're still watching the AM Club. Up next, we'll have Jason and Oforiwa here to talk about the ice cream fair. Stay.